Let's go. Alright, another little POV drive. We're gonna take the dogs to the park. Go get some gas. Did you go to the park? Yeah. I like to pull out of the neighborhood before I hit this. Respect the neighbors a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, it's cold, huh, dogs? It's cold, huh, guys? We're gonna freeze at the park. Make sure I got this angle right. Yeah, it looks good. She's getting antsy. She's ready to get to the park. We gotta let her warm up a little bit more. So we got Callie and Ashy. This is the mother to this one. She had 5 pups, and we kept this one right here. Oh yeah. Good dogs. If I had a big dog, I definitely wouldn't let him ride in here, but where these guys are like 10 pounds a piece, don't mind them in the V. One of them has to be on my lap at all times. In right here. Looks like there's another dog, so we're just gonna chill for a sec, because when these dogs see other dogs, it's game on. Let's go. Let's go, Cal. Grab a couple of these. It is cold, but at least the sun's out today. Question is, who's gonna poop first? That's what we're waiting for, and it's usually you. Ashley will usually take care of business pretty quick, but Callie likes to sniff around like she's doing right now. We have a winner. She beat you to it, Ashley. Very surprising. Only downside about dogs, gotta pick up the poop. Mission complete. Nothing too crazy today. A little chill park run with the dogs. Go get some gas real quick. Whew, yeah, it is a brisk morning. Luckily, we haven't gotten too much snow here in Utah. Normally, I mean, it's New Year's Eve. Normally, we'd have snow by now, but it's just really freaking cold. These are great dogs. Basically walk themselves. Don't need to leash them. They stay right with me. Unless another dog gets too close. Then Mama likes to protect her pup. She gets very defensive, but I don't blame her. Just her instincts kick in. And Ashley loves to break sticks. And then she'll just sit there and break it. Yeah, did you get it? All right, I think we're in the clear, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Hop up. A little cold start action. I wish these guys would stay in the back, but if I throw them back there, they just hop right back up. So they like to either sit there or on my lap most of the time. My wife took the daily today because fortunately she had to work. So we're gonna have some fun in the V today, huh guys? Yeah. Wow, it is busy. There's like almost no pumps available. Got these big A trucks in the way. Oh, that guy just pulled out. Maybe he'll swing around and just go there. Or maybe this one. Yeah, there we go. Just come to this guy. think that lady was too happy about that startup. Whoops. Uh-oh. Little scat pack. I like to call them snack packs. All right. It's okay. It's okay. I know it's loud. It's all right. She's like shaking. They don't ride in the V too often, so I don't think they've been in it with that new exhaust. So yeah, that definitely scared the little one a little bit. Well, that's gonna be it for today's POV drive. A little shorter video today. Subscribe to the channel for more POV drives, racing, car meets, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.